A few weeks ago, I got a ride in a friend's Tesla, and all of a sudden, I understood what all the hype about Tesla vehicles are about. The design is far more aesthetically appealing than most cars. The way the car moves is more superior to a lot of cars in the market. And let's not forget about the fact that the cars run solely on electricity. This is one of the biggest selling points of Tesla vehicles. And my friend kept bragging about how he no longer has to buy gas. So naturally, I had to do some research about Tesla and how the vehicles work. Just in case I decide to make a commitment to the brand. So, here is what I found out about Tesla batteries, which are what powers the vehicles. Why are batteries important? The design of an electric vehicle basically determines how the vehicle is going to turn out. The battery design is a major determinant about a lot of things, including how much the car costs to build, how heavy the car is, how far the car can go on a single full charge, how quickly the car charges, and almost everything about the car. A bad battery automatically means that the car will be crappy. This is why companies that manufacture electric cars focus heavily on making sure that the batteries are as strong as possible. Currently, batteries do not meet consumer expectations, even though they cost a lot of money to produce. While the batteries are better than average, they still fail to meet consumers' high expectations. However, this is on track to change with Tesla's new 4680 battery design. Before we take a look at the new battery, let's talk about the current Tesla battery. In 2017, Tesla released their second-generation battery, which is currently being used in all Tesla cars. While the battery performed better than that of the competitors, there was still room for improvement. The batteries are produced by Panasonic at Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory. The battery had good energy density and range, but Tesla CEO Elon Musk figured that they could do more, and this brought the new Tesla battery. The new Tesla battery. In 2020, at the Tesla Battery Day announcement, Tesla unveiled the new battery design. The tabless 4680 cell, which is more energy dense and cheaper than the last one. The tabless design has the extra advantage of speeding up the manufacturing process. The 4680 has 5 times more energy density than the previous model, and this will translate to 16% more range in the vehicle and 6 times more power output per cell. This means that range anxiety amongst electric vehicle users can be significantly reduced. Range anxiety is a term used to refer to the fear that electric vehicle owners have that they will run out of power. 5 times more energy density translates to less range anxiety amongst users. Production of the new 4680 battery cell will start at the Tesla headquarters in California, before rolling out to their other factories, including the Shanghai factory and the new Austin factory. It is expected that the battery will be available for mass use in Tesla vehicles in the next few years. The 4680 measures 46 mm by 80 mm, hence the name. It takes a step away from the previous chemical components of cobalt and nickel, both of which are rare. Cobalt especially has faced a lot of social backlash after the conditions of its mining were revealed. Cobalt is rare and can only be found in Congo in substantial quantities. But the mining process is horrible and highly unethical because it often involves the use of child labor. Nickel, on the other hand, is not as rare as cobalt, but its mining process is quite difficult. This means that cobalt-nickel batteries aren't cheap to produce. The new 4680 battery cell uses lithium iron phosphate chemistry for their standard range vehicles and megapacks, which means that production will be cheaper. While you're unlikely to get incredible range or acceleration from a lithium-ion-based battery, especially when compared to cobalt-nickel-based batteries, it still offers a good enough range for an economy car. You're getting a significantly cheaper car, so you have to make some concessions. A bonus is that ion-based batteries have a longer cycle life, which means that it can be recharged more times before it begins to go bad. This means that while you get less distance on a single charge, you can be assured that your battery will last for a long time before you have to start thinking about getting it changed. This seems like a fair trade. Other Tesla battery designs. Tesla also has a new cathode design that is based on nickel and manganese only. Manganese is much more common, and we can expect it to be the major component in future Tesla batteries. Tesla car models like the Model S, X, and Y will use nickel-manganese cathode batteries. At the Battery Day presentation, Elon Musk revealed that by using nickel-manganese cells, Tesla can produce 30% more cars for the same amount of nickel. It is still unclear whether the price of the cars will reduce in line with the reduction in production costs. We hope that this is the case. The third new chemistry is focused squarely on their high-mass vehicles. These cells have high nickel chemistry, which will translate to them being more expensive. The pure nickel cathode battery means that the energy density will be insanely higher, and in the long run, this will turn out to be a smart economic move. This will be seen in weight-sensitive long-range cars like the Tesla Semi and Cybertruck. What's more, the battery is about 90% recyclable, which means that it is more friendly to the environment. While electric car companies brag about how much better their cars are for the environment because the vehicles aren't powered by gasoline, their batteries still use cobalt. Not only is this process of mining cobalt unethical, but the mining process is also harmful to the environment. Tesla is going the extra mile to make sure that its batteries are as eco-friendly as possible. Other Tesla innovations. Tesla also showed structural designs that will debut with the new Model Y, the Plaid Plus Model S, and the Cybertruck. In previous designs, the battery cells were put into modules, and the modules into packs, and then bolting the packs onto the vehicle frame. But in the new structural designs, the packs themselves will be the new structural frame. Because the 4680 cells are large and are made with steel casting, this makes them a viable option for the middle section of the vehicle frame. In total, this means that the new models will weigh much less than they would with the old structural designs. Not to mention how cool the design will be. If there's one thing that Tesla does well, it's making innovative structural designs. While the 4680 battery is yet to roll out to the public, Elon Musk claims that they have already been powering prototypes for months. So that's it for what you need to know about Tesla battery life. I have to admit that the new battery sounds incredible. And if it truly does all that Tesla claims it does, then it will truly be a groundbreaking innovation in the world of electric vehicles. I might even get one for myself. Can you imagine how shocked my friend would be? So guys, what do you think about Tesla batteries? Would you ever consider buying a Tesla car? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. See you in the next video.